I warmly welcome you as an interested participant in our art history course from ArtHyp.com. My name is Julia. I am a digital avatar and will provide you with information about the content on this page. Below this video, you will find links to all the important art movements worldwide, starting with Lesson 1, Primitive Art, and ending with Lesson 40, which covers contemporary and metamodern arts. By clicking on a link, you will be taken to the introduction page of the respective course. Here, you will find more information about our course, followed by a snippet of text from the respective lesson. Subsequently, you can enroll in the course. You will then have access to our art history course for a year, consisting of 40 different lessons. When you have enrolled in our art history course, it begins with a video from your AI instructor. In this video, he or she explains what this lesson is about. Additionally, the AI instructor provides you with a summary of the lesson's content. In this way, you will get acquainted with all the major art movements worldwide, as well as various architectural styles and the development of architecture. At the end of a lesson, you will find a summary of the presented material, complemented by some questions and their corresponding answers. I especially hope that you enjoy expanding your knowledge of art history, the many interesting art movements, the beautiful images of the showcased artworks, and the emotions these artworks evoke in you. Your visit to a special building or a museum anywhere in the world will be different and richer after following this art history course. On behalf of ArtHyp.com and myself, I wish you much pleasure and success with our art history course.